Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Paul。
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And Alice, today we'll talk about something that is, it's kind of related to what I do, and I'm very aware of this, and I think whenever we do a Hakka lesson, we're communicating all the time. 今天呢，来跟大家教一些沟通的技巧哦。其实我自己觉得呢，当然要准备的东西很多啦，可是我觉得我可以把它分成四个不一样的就阶段。来跟人家沟通 How to communicate better is what we're going to talk about today, and perhaps we'll learn a few phrases and words about Hakka in between right here, okay? And I think there are 4 steps you need to take when you want to communicate with someone. 第一呢，就是要预备工作要做好，
就是事前嘅準備。
哎，對，事前的準備嘛。You have to do a lot of preparation. 事前嘅準備 okay? Do a lot of preparation on whatever you're trying to communicate, right? 第二 that's number 2.Always have eye contact. 一定要永远要保持这个眼神的接触。
看對方嘅目珠會講話嘿。
對，沒錯。我跟你講，很多人就是疏忽到這一點，就是講話就是會有點飄啊，或者說看別的地方。
做唔得，要看對方。
要看對方。You have to keep eye contact.
第三
，you always have to listen. Okay? That's another thing, you know? Actually, we always talk about this on the air, you know? You are a listener, so you know what to do. You have to listen. If you want to communicate, you have to listen. 一定要先把对方的話聽完，或至少要把對方的話聽得清楚。
人講話的時間要聽清楚之後再來講。
對，沒錯，先聽清楚再說。
對
不對 ？And finally, 第4 TC 啊
TC
你 TC 啊？
沒 TC 啊
？TC 哦
TC 第4
And number 4, you should observe and react to the third party.
就會看對方的心情。
對，沒錯，其實講白了就是要看對方的心情，對方的這一些他的反應等等之類，because you want to react on their actions too.
心情好的時間就在請你大追顧嘛。
什麼大追顧？
聊天啊。聊
天啊。對，心情好的時候嗎？
請你大追顧。
請你。
找你啊。
好。
然後你大追顧。
大追顧by the way, that's another word to learn. 大追顧 that means 聊天，just chit chat. All right, so there you go. That does it for today's Hakka lesson.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.